Okay, it's June 26, 2020 at approximately 8:25 p.m. in Chicago, Illinois. I don't know how well the color is going to pick up on this old camcorder, but the sky is just like a orange red glow. And this is the day after when they said this dust cloud from the Sahara is supposed to reach the United States. Now, I'm facing northwest in my living room, and with the lights off, it looked like the sun was totally down. But when I looked out the window, I noticed this orange glow, and I'm like, well, maybe it's the effect. But according to the weather maps, the dust cloud was supposed to affect southern states in the Gulf, like Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, places like that. I'm all the way up here in the Midwest, okay? And the glow is getting dimmer by the minute, and it was probably less than 5 minutes ago was much brighter than this. But this is strange stuff, man. It's just so much stuff happening in the world right now. So much. And you got this weird orange glow. Now this is normally where the sun, this is kind of weird because I'm facing west. So yeah, the sun was set in the west. It's like a northwest position where I'm at. And it's getting darker by the second almost, but other than that, looks almost like it's dark, like it's night. And it is a thunderstorm, and it just got through raining like cats and dogs. So maybe there's more dust than what it appears to be on the weather maps, where it can cause this orange glow, because they said there would be an orange glow. And we know it's been like that for some months, for a couple of years now, you know, with the red iron oxide dust. But for the media to actually talk about it, it's just, everything is questionable, because you just can't trust anything that mainstream media is saying. We living in a critical time where they want to keep us in the dark about all kinds of things that's going on, not just in our world, but in different other realms and dimensions as well. They just want to keep everything a secret, and yeah, the dust probably would cause that. But the thing about the dust in the Sahara is it's been there for centuries. So we never heard of this happening before. What would make it happen? What would make it happen? The dust and sand has been sitting in the Sahara for hundreds, if not thousands of years. Why now would dust just pick up so strongly and blow over into America, and with particles so small it can affect your respiratory system amid this COVID outbreak that we're in? It's just some stuff to think about, man. A dust cloud. Right here in Chicago, the mayor had to get on a demolition contractor because they imploded an old brick smokestack and a factory in a Hispanic neighborhood, and it was already targeted for blacks and Hispanics to be most risk for COVID-19. So they did the demolition on the smokestack. The smokestack came down, it left a cloud like maybe close to a mile wide in diameter, just floating over the neighborhood for minutes until it disintegrated. And a lot of people had concerns about that because of COVID, knowing that it does have something to do with respiratory. So I don't know, man. It's like, the way I see it, it's gonna be one event back to back to back to back until something happens. Got the sun setting over here, and the rest of the sky is just dark. Like it's nighttime, like it's evening. Then you got this big old orange glow over here.